Welcome to New York City, the city that never sleeps. From the dazzling skyline to the world-famous street food, NYC is a place like no other. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the heart of the Big Apple, exploring iconic landmarks, buzzing streets, and delicious eats. Let's start with Central Park, the green escape in a concrete jungle. Amidst the towering skyscrapers lies a peaceful retreat, Central Park. Spanning over 800 acres, this urban oasis offers everything from scenic walking trails to horse-drawn carriages. Whether you're rowing a boat on the lake or relaxing with a coffee, Central Park is the perfect escape from the city's hustle. Next is the Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom. Standing tall in New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty has welcomed visitors for over a century. A gift from France, this iconic symbol of freedom represents hope and opportunity. Hop on a ferry to Liberty Island and take in breathtaking views of the Manhattan skyline. Next, NYC street food, the ultimate bite. New York is a foodie's paradise, and no trip is complete without trying its legendary street food. Grab a classic hot dog from a street cart, indulge in a warm, salted pretzel, or take a bite of the city's pride, a New York-style pizza slice, crispy, cheesy, and bigger than your plate. Let's go to Times Square, the brightest spot in NYC. Welcome to Times Square, where the lights never dim, and the energy never fades. Known as the Crossroads of the world, this iconic spot is packed with flashing billboards, Broadway theaters, and thousands of people soaking in the electrifying atmosphere. And finally, the NYC skyline, the perfect ending. And finally, let's take a moment to appreciate New York's skyline, a masterpiece of modern architecture. From the towering Empire State Building to the dazzling lights of Manhattan, the city at night is pure magic. New York City is more than just a place. It's a feeling, a vibe, an experience you'll never forget. Have you been to NYC? What's your favorite spot? Drop a comment below. Like, comment and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next one.